Most invoices these days are being exchanged electronically through a computer network. This, however, is not considered electronic invoicing. In the majority of these cases, invoice data is manually cut and pasted into a document template, then sent by email. This is inefficient, error-prone, and unsafe, and if there is an audit, tracking down these documents can be a nightmare. Electronic invoicing, or e-invoicing, is a recent phenomenon that is driven by new regulations. These regulations define a standard way of encoding and validating information without human intervention, and establish a secure communication protocol so that information is safely transmitted and trackable. eBin Cloud is an e-invoicing solution which has been built on Amazon Web Services, meaning it can deal with both small and large document flows. eBin Cloud offers an array of secure, scalable, and convenient tools, which are sequenced using workflow technology, so you can customize the product to your business needs.